नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आरजे शिखा। रामा यूनिवर्सिटी के अपने रेडियो स्टेशन रेडियो रामा 90.8 एफएम से आपके अपने एफएम से। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि कोरोना पैंडेमिक का दौर चल रहा है और हर कोई परेशान है। हर पेरेंट के मन में या स्टूडेंट के मन में सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये है कि क्या हमें इस साल कहीं एडमिशन्स लेने चाहिए या फिर इस साल को ड्रॉप करना चाहिए। वाई टू वेस्ट योर ईयर व्हेन रामा यूनिवर्सिटी कैन बी योर सेवियर। जी हाँ, आप सही सुन रहे हैं, क्योंकि रामा यूनिवर्सिटी में हम आपको वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन सिस्टम बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में प्रोवाइड करते हैं। Let me tell you, in this pandemic season, we are providing you different schemes, corona waiver schemes, scholarship schemes to provide you the best education. Today in Rama University, we have a very special guest. Let me introduce him. Today we have Dr. Ravikant Gupta sir. He is HOD and Dean of Faculty of Juridical Sciences, यानी कि Law Department हमारे Rama University से। तो सर सबसे पहले तो अपना परिचय देंगे और बताएंगे कि आपके डिपार्टमेंट में स्पेशली क्या कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं।
Thank you, ma'am. I am Dr. Ravikant Gupta, Faculty of Juridical Science, Rama University. In my faculty, there are 5 running courses, UG and PG. Under a UG courses, BLLB, BBLLB, and LLB. And under PG courses, LLM 1 year and LLM 2 years course are running, except it. Doctorate degree means PhD is also running in my institute, and there are 2 short-term courses also running in my faculties related to the patent law and cyber law.
Okay. Keeping in view the corona pandemic situation, क्या हम कुछ special discount या waiver schemes चला रहे हैं आपके डिपार्टमेंट में?
Of course, Rama is always supportive to the public. So in pandemic duration also, those are sufferer, those are the warriors or the corona warriors.
Yes.
Rama in fees also discounted to him, and they can take the admission in the Rama Institute. Rama always helpful to the such peoples.
Okay. What are the different career options that are available after completion of the degree from your department, that is Faculty of Juridical Sciences, or in simple words, Faculty of Law?
Of course, LLB degree means law graduate is a 100% placement courses. After the completion of the LLB and BLLB and BBLLB, students can participate in the judicial examination. If we go to the in judiciary, and law officers in different companies and bank areas, and accepted a student also independently go to the for advocacy in different areas like the criminal, civil, taxation, revenue, etc. And those students participate in the PG. After PG, they will be specialized in particular area. They can go in teaching also. They can go also in law firm. They can go also as a labor inspector, etc. So there are so many opportunities for the law graduate students in this field.
Okay. So what are our university strengths or the highlights? I want you to describe to our viewers कि हमारे positive खासियत चीजें क्या है रामा यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में?
Rama University always, as I told you, that the Rama University always supportive to the public, supportive to the students and faculties. So Faculty of Juridical Sciences faculty also supported to the students, not only for academic but also for the enhance the development of the personality of the student also. That will become to student move for the make the strong nation as a public public liabilities they perform in the society. They will play the very important role in the society to make a strong nation.
जी, ओके। कहते हैं ना कि कुछ ऐसे खास पॉइंट्स होते हैं, कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो हमें औरों से अलग बनाती है। तो अब सर आगे आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि हमारे रामा यूनिवर्सिटी की कौन सी ऐसी बातें हैं या कौन से ऐसे पॉइंट्स हैं जो हमें दूसरों से अलग करते हैं या यूँ कहूँ कि हमें डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं।
Yes, generally in some all of the universities and all of the college play academic roles. but Rama is different from all of this. Because in Rama University, not only we give the theoretical knowledge to the student, but we also, our faculties also provides the extracurricular activity to the student, and student also participate in these curricular activities. They got the personality development, and also they aware to the society about the law by the various programs.
Okay. As a representative of your department, that is Faculty of Juridical Sciences, I would request you to kindly urge to our viewers that here at Rama University, we are following the guidelines and protocols guided by UGC and government, and here we are absolutely safe.
Of course, it is a worried question in the mind of the parents that how can we send to the students to the childs in the campus. But Rama University always follow the protocols of the protocols and guidelines of the governments about the pandemic era. As a sanitizers also available to the students, mask wearing is compulsory, and seating plan in the classroom is such types that the social distancing always will be follows. So I can say parents should be ensured that in Faculty of Juridical Science and in also Rama University in any courses, always your child are secure from the corona.
Thank you so much, sir. This was all the valuable information from Faculty of Juridical Sciences or Law Department. For more information, you can log on to our website at www.ramauniversity.ac.in. Thank you so much.
Thank you.